Good morning. Merry Monday morning. Last Monday of November, I think. Sunday the 30th, yeah. And this is also a Monday where my train was heavily delayed, so I'm massively behind. Not the best way to start the week, but I'm sure there are worse things. Yeah, anyway, as usual, I am Mike from Markets, and as always, this is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Oakley dokley, global equity markets, they pushed higher on Friday, most just a smidge higher. But the UK's FTSE, that was a bit of an outlier, a fair whack higher there. So getting that one out of the way, the pound declined on disappointing manufacturing and services data on Friday night, and the pound and the FTSE tend to have a negative correlation, usually. Sometimes. Anyway, the rest of the world's equity indices, especially those of the US, they ticked higher on US data, pointing to a resurgence in their manufacturing sector. That data, it's been trending lower for pretty much the duration of the trade war, but now there's talk that maybe it has bottomed out and maybe we're at the beginning of a new trend. Trend's your friend. Market terminology. It may not be a new trend though, it could just be a dead cat bounce. That is a real thing. More market terminology. The rationale being that anything can bounce, but that doesn't mean it's come back to life. A bit morbid for a Monday, I know, but so a bit of data-led upside in US equities. That, though, wasn't enough to save the S&P 500 from its first weekly loss in 6 weeks. Dramatic. Over in currency markets, the action a little less dramatic. Outside of the pound, there wasn't really much in the way of movement. Kiwi holding pretty close to 64 cents, and will probably continue to hold there today, unless the weekend's post-close news stirs up some volatility. So on that, since Saturday morning, or since the Saturday close, a US official suggested a Phase 1 trade deal could actually happen this year. Donald Trump was vague on whether or not he will actually sign off on the arguably trade deal hurting legislation relating to the US stance on Hong Kong. And over in the UK, Boris Johnson declared Brexit for Christmas, or maybe Waitangi Day, if the public grant him a clear majority at the election in December. 31 January is the current Brexit divorce day. That is a lot. That is probably not everything, but that is probably enough. Have a great Monday. That's Matt coming in behind me. I can see him in the thing. Yeah. Kia pai tōra.